All right, here we have number 10. We're gonna find the area of this composite figure, okay? So it's this big shape, okay? Let's break it up. Okay, please understand that, do you see how this is 62? That means this is also 62, okay? All right, if this is 54, this is also 54 up here. So this is your first part of your triangle, of your shape is this. Then we have this triangle. Then we have this. Okay. This is really 62. Right there. We're going to add these two shapes together. All right. So we just have to find the area of this and the area of that. So the area of this is length times width. You have the length. Length is equal to 62. Width, 54. This is how you can label it. You plug it in. Area is equal to 54 times 62. So 54 times 62, that is 3348. This one is a triangle. Area is 1/2 base times height. We actually have the base. Base is equal to 62. Height is equal to 27. You see, I still label it. 1/2, base is 62, height is 27. Area is equal to, plug it in, 1/2 times 62 times 27. And that gets me, let's see, 837. Now we're gonna add these two, okay? This is gonna be my total area is equal to this area plus that area. So total area is equal to 3348 plus 837. So it's 4185. Any units? Yep. There you go. We can just leave it like that. Next, we have this. Okay. So technically, this is this complete shape right here. Right? Oh, that's horrible. It's this complete rectangle right here. Okay. So let me draw that complete rectangle for you guys. Okay. It's this rectangle. Right. And then do we know the values for it? Yes, it is 22 by 14. Then what we are going to do here is we're actually going to remove something. We're going to subtract. Here's the interesting part. Okay, do you see how this is a half and this is under half? You're going to subtract a whole, and that whole has this radius. Okay. It has this radius of 14. Right? So that is essentially what we are going to do. Right? So the area here is the rectangle. So it's length times width. Length is equal to 22. Width equals to 14. I'm still labeling it. Write my equation, label my pieces. Area is equal to 22 times 14. Area is equal to 308. Here, this is my diameter, which is the entire thing. So my radius is equal to 7. Area is equal to pi r squared. Area equals to pi 7 squared. So area is equal to 49 pi. I leave it in terms of pi. So my total area is going to be this rectangle, which I know is 308, and I'm going to minus 49 pi. You can plug that into your calculator. 308 minus 49 pi. We get roughly 154.06196. Round it wherever you want. Okay, so there you go. The difference between these two problems is A, I'm adding the pieces together, but B, it's one large rectangle minus one circle. Okay, or you can minus two semicircles. It would be the same answer.